Alright, I'll show you how to make a transparent background. And it's really very simple because everything on Canva is just a one-click button. So I'm going to go in and find something to make transparent. Actually, I might use this. And now once you've got your image, it's clicked on, go up to this little square here. It's the transparency square, and what makes this so easy is you just scroll down the scale of how transparent you would like it. I'll leave it about there for now. Now I just want to right click on the image and make it my background, and I'll go get another image to put over top. I'll do 2 transparent images. Just let me see what I can find. Okay, let me use this one. Alright, now what I might do is I'm going to remove the background on this image. So go up to edit image, go to my background remover, background's done, apply. Now I want to make my wolf transparent as well, so I'm going back up to the transparency button, click on and scale down. Go a bit more, make him a real ghost. Let's see how that looks. Yeah, ghosted him in. Now I might stretch up and get the bottom of that. There we have it, transparency. So it's just a button and a scroll down. Might make the back a bit more transparent. So I finish, let them blend together, and there you have it. That's how you make transparent backgrounds and transparent images. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this, because I'll be putting up a lot more easy tips and content for you to see in the future. Thanks for watching.